Monday, everyone. I still have one entire week in the States. So we're starting the day with something very American, eating pancakes. Those are good. They're light and fluffy, and the coffee is good. It's amazing. Look at this beauty! Meow. Look at that view. Look at that house. Nice. It's perfect temperature right now. It's a lot less hotter than it was yesterday. Just bugs are everywhere. Such a great view! So, Beaumont is the one over there. Pretty. Oh. It's alive! Oh. This is pretty. Wow!
absolutely not showing off my super new t-shirt. That's usually where they are.
That's Nate. Have you seen my super FrenchTastic t-shirt?
I hope you guys enjoyed those videos from my time in Connecticut. As you might have understood, the main goal in Connecticut was for us to spend time together. I also needed a lot of rest. I think I should do a video about all the things that went wrong with me because I was exhausted mentally after the 10 days in Tennessee and the 10 days in Minnesota. My body was exhausted, but my mind too. Also needed to catch up on a lot of work, but we ended up doing quite a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed those, and the last couple of days of my USA trip were spent in Cape Cod, which is what you're gonna see in the next video. We had a lovely time there, and can't wait for you to see that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!